In today's tutorial, we're going to build a journey to add Typeform entries as new Zendesk ticket. For this, let's select Typeform as trigger. Choose new form response as trigger event. Now, select an existing connection and then click on link account to establish the connection. Next, we have to choose an appropriate form ID. So in steps, we have to add form details as new ticket in Zendesk. Click on simple action and then select Zendesk. Choose create ticket as action. Select an existing connection and click on link account to establish the connection. Add subject and description using Typeform data tree. Next, appropriately we have to select the type, priority, and status for ticket to be created. That's it. We are ready with our journey. Now, let's just save the changes and start journey. To check the output, let's go to Typeform. Okay. Now let me just fill in the details. Once added, click on Submit. Once you have submitted, go back to your journey. To check journey execution, yes, as you can see, the journey has been executed successfully. Now, visit Zendesk and click on Tickets section. As you can see, a new ticket has been added as per the received Typeform entry. This way, you can also build an automation journey to add Typeform entry as new Zendesk ticket. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and to get help in building automation journey, visit quickwork.co.